2 of trying to fidget stuff. One prize for a needle. Oh my god, I want a needle. Okay, well, for the needle, I want to offer you this homemade simple dimple. Homemade puppet. Let me try playing with it. It's like an ASMR pod, but it has 2 sides. Sure, but can you like add or something?
I don't want it because they keep adding weird technology.
Okay, they just saw something in my hands quickly, but fake high not. Add this fidget tumbler. I'll accept.
What's the color?
Yeah, can I have my haha get scammed? I'm not giving away this Nino, guys. I just scammed them. Now I got this box. Oh, there's still some stuff I haven't traded. There's still some stuff that people are trying to trade. Huh. Trading pea popper going once. Oh god, someone's trading away custom pea popper. There's pea popper. Ooh, what I'm gonna offer. I'll offer this clicker. Clickers are not worth it. Then I'll offer this. This one's kind of hard. I have the Rooney toy. Oh my god, I have to add more to, but Rooney's but like these little like spinny things are pretty rare. So can you add more? Fine, I'll add a monkey. I'll add a stress relieving monkey noodle. That's still not enough. Okay. 2-sided simple dimple. Except actually, no, don't expect a trade back, but I'm gonna actually, you can actually take this quickly and then I'll take this. So we're gonna go ahead and trade. I love this. Let me try playing with everything. Here's the pea popper. Does it actually pop out peas? No, it doesn't pop out peas. Let me try harder. This pea popper doesn't pop out peas. It doesn't pop up the little straws inside. And let me try playing with this. It's really hard to play with. It's not like a fidget at all. The Rooney is good. I really like playing with it. The monkey noodle doesn't work as well, so you're gonna need to add different stuff. I'm sorry, but I'll take those. You're gonna have to add different stuff for this Rooney. Sorry. Actually, I might actually take the monkey noodle. It kind of works actually. Let me try it again. Yeah, the monkey noodle custom works. So I'll accept. Actually, first you give me your items, then I'll give you this. Okay. You got scammed. Anyways, I'm gonna actually do a real trade. Okay. Wait, what was I avocado poppets. Me? Oh my god, I want to trade an avocado poppet. I will give you a Nito. Oh my god, that's so cool. I really want a Nito. I already have a lot of Nitos. Then I'll offer you this fidget pen. Let me try playing with it. It's kind of broken. I don't want to accept it. A rubber. These one of like the little heart rubbers. Let me try playing with it. Guys, it's actually really good, but I don't think I want it. You're gonna have to actually add more because I don't accept terrible tries. Okay, neato. I want anything but a neat.
For here or for you?
Do you want a clicker?
For you? For here? So whenever I want to draw. Oh, here? For here?
I'll add this clicker.
Gathering together for when you come?
Yeah. Huh.
Tell me what you want. I ordered your whiteboard.
Let me try playing with this. I already have the clicker. A way better clicker than this. It's broken. A skunk on my hand. Yeah, no. I won't offer it.